These might be the best metallic paints in the world, and we're gonna find out today. Now, we have no affiliation with this company. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these paints with my own money. These come from a company called Kamenskaya, I believe. And I was on Facebook, I saw one of their ads, and it really got me intrigued. Now, they make some incredible claims about these metallic paints. Let me share with you what they have to say about these products. So they call this a liquid leaf paint, an alcohol-based, fast-drying paint that they claim imitates precious metals. So they say, unlike other brands that use pearlescent pigments, which just gives a shine from small glitters, their liquid leaf paint creates a solid shine like real metal. And they say that you can roll it on or brush it on. I did email them and I asked them, can we spray this? And they said yes. Big claims. I'm not saying I'm skeptical. I want to respect them enough to say that they know what they're talking about. I've never seen paint come from a bottle that replicates the look of real metal. Not yet. Thoughts?
I just really hope it's as smooth as they say it is.
We're going to do some testing here. We're going to spray them out. You're going to get a good look at each one of them. They have 6 different metallic finishes here. So they've got bronze, rich gold, silver, white gold, copper, and English gold, whatever that is. Now I can see in here the viscosity is extremely low. It is obviously alcohol based. It's going to atomize very quickly. So spraying it might be a little tricky. I'll let you guys know how that works. We're going to put it right over some black speed shapes. We're going to be very careful because it's fast drying. Do you have any predictions?
I have no idea.
Same, but we're going to give them the benefit of the doubt. We're going to show you exactly what it looks like. I am very excited to see how it lives up. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the experiment. Now, normally, the spraying portion of smaller scale tests like this takes me somewhere between 20 to 30 minutes to get it done. I just spent 4 hours spraying these little guys, trying to get them dialed in. Now, in the email from the company, they said you absolutely can spray them, but I found them to be extremely finicky when spraying. I tried low pressure, high pressure, low flow, higher flow, one coat, multiple coats, and every single sample looked different than the one before. Some of them looked really dull. Some of them looked kind of shiny. Some of them cracked. Some of them looked gritty. It's really delicate here because, again, we have no affiliation with this company. I just found a product that I thought was interesting and purchased it. And I don't want to misrepresent their product. That's not fair. So here's what I did. I got each one sprayed out the best that I could. Then I also went onto their website and I saw their little tutorial video. And what they do is they take the little nail polish kind of brush that comes in here and they just kind of paint it onto the surface. So along with the sprayed samples, I'm also going to show you the back of a spoon that I painted with the little brush just like they did in the video. And that does look pretty darn good. So all in all, these are really cool products. They look extremely metallic. They're definitely not pearls, so I will give them that. It's different. Obviously, really relevant in the arts and crafts community. I'm not sure if they have an automotive application, but if you want to play with them, I'll leave a link below. Again, no affiliation at all. Just check them out if you want to. And do me a favor, leave a comment below. Let me know, do you think they look super metallic? Do you think they look cool? And if you have a favorite, which one is your favorite? Now, if you want to play with any of DipYourCar's paints, you know what to do. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a lot of fun on this one. It was a challenge. We like challenges. We learned a lot. And I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.
Uh.